What is up, y'all? Manny, All Hair Soft Wash. I'm here today with the second job of the day. I'm in Deltona, Florida. First was in Orlando. I'm here to clean up this deck. Pretty big deck. So I'm gonna start cleaning it off, get the leaves and sticks and debris off, coat it with chemical, and get it cleaned up. I'll let you guys see the before and afters, but without further ado, I got some work to do. Manny, All Hair Soft Wash. And that is it, y'all. All cleaned up.